If you've ever wondered whether you can see who has viewed a Google Drive file, the short answer is that Google Drive does not show a full viewer list for most files. But there is still a useful way to check activity, see who made changes, and view when those changes happened. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to review file activity inside Google Drive so you can understand what's been happening with your documents, folders, and shared files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and find the file or folder you want to check. This works best when you already know which item you want to review. Once you see it, click once to select it. Make sure you do not open the file yet, because you just want to highlight it first. After the file is selected, look in the top right corner of the screen and click the little information icon, also known as the View Details button. It usually looks like an eye inside a circle. When you click that icon, a panel will open on the right side of the screen. This panel gives you important details about the selected file, including recent activity. Now click on the Activity tab. This is where Google Drive shows changes related to the file. You can scroll through the activity feed to see who edited the file, what changes were made, and the date and time of those updates. This is the closest built-in option Google Drive gives you for tracking interactions with a file. It's important to understand that this is not the same as seeing every person who simply viewed the file. Google Drive generally does not provide a public viewer history the way people might expect. So if you were trying to find out exactly who opened and viewed the file, that information usually is not available unless you are using other Google Workspace features or admin level tools. But for most users, the Activity tab is the best place to check changes and collaboration history. If you are using a shared file, this feature can be very helpful for spotting edits from teammates, checking recent updates, and confirming whether someone has been working inside the document. It's also useful for keeping track of version changes without needing to open the file and inspect everything manually. Just select the file, open View Details, then check the Activity tab. That's the entire process. If you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot and keeps these guides coming. And if you found this useful, you can also share it with someone who uses Google Drive every day and wants a clearer way to monitor file activity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.